Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with a small haul from a few different stores, and we have two small business stores. And starting out, we're going to jump right into Color Me Clay Tay. I'm going to have her link down below, and if you don't know who she is, oh my gosh, she is like the best flower maker out there. I love her stuff. Everybody knows that. But anyways, so when I seen these pop up, I missed the first set. I was not gonna miss the second. So anyway, she sent me this free gift. So cute, so adorable. Look at those little bunny ears, just adorable. I love, love, love this. Cute, cute, cute. But this was what I was excited about. I was just like, how in the world did I let that first set go by? When I seen her video, I put her on pause, went right over and purchased this set here. Love this with all those little tiny flowers. Like I said, I was not gonna let this get by me, so I picked that up. So make sure you visit her down below and go over to her channel, and I'll try and link her store. If not, you can find it on her channel down below. Except for the small business haul, I went over to Lady Cree's channel. Everybody was getting these rosettes. And rosettes, when I tell you, they make me so nervous to deal with rosettes. I was just like, but I want to support Lady Cree. So I'm going to get them, and we'll see if we're able to use them. But anyways, hold on. Let me back up. Let me show you what this envelope is looking like when she sent this in. She decorated it so cutely. There was a little bee right here. There was a little bit like a hard epoxy sticker. I took that off because I figure I can use that little bee. So, but anyways, I kept that. And so, like I said, she decorates so cute. So cute. I love that. Okay. Now, jumping into this little haul here. Love the way she packages everything. And what I was also very excited about was this bookmark. And I was hoping that I would get this bookmark, and I did. I was so excited about that. So excited about this bookmark. And I am going to pop it into my Bible. Yes, I am. Love that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. Just, it's the little things. Anyways, and you know, she always has her little card. Yay, yay, yay. Your purchase made my day. So happy for that. Love that. And then she also gives you a little prayer card in there. Everything is possible for one who believes. Mark 9:23. Love that. And then she puts her business card in there, of course. And then not only does she pack your little order there, she gives you some freebies. And she already knew I love mushrooms. Love mushrooms. And look at this. And I did not have these little mushrooms, so that is perfect for me. Look at that. So cute. So that was one freebie. Not only did she give me one of those, she packed up these. I love these. They are just adorable. Oh my gosh. I love them. Thanks so much, Lady Cree. I ordered 3 of these rosette colors, and then she popped in an extra color to challenge me to use these rosettes. I am going to use them. I don't know what I'm going to make or when I'm going to have it up, but I'm going to try my hand at it. Like I said, I get nervous using rosettes. I really do. I don't know what to do with them, even though I have some inspiration from Lady Cree and, of course, Color Me Clay Tay. But I just get so, I don't know, mind boggled. I don't know what it is. I just can't hardly use rosettes, but I am going to try. So I'm going to accept your challenge, Lady Cree, and we'll get through this. But anyways, these are so pretty. Let me take these out. So these are Lady Cree's Joyful Rosettes. Like I said, she challenged me with the pink. I ordered these 3, and I love them. Not only can you use her rosettes, you can also use her little sequence mix down at the bottom. You can use the card in the back. I mean, I just love everything that she does, how she displays it. I love everything about it. Everything that she sends can be used towards your crafting. And I love it. Look at that bee. Oh my gosh, just too cute. All right, thanks so much, Lady Cree. Her link will be down below as well. Over to Hobby Lobby next, and I thought I would try my hand at it. I've seen so many people posting about their clearance, and I just went over to see what I could find. I did find some heat transfer foil, and I thought I would pick up 4 of those. That was really good, and you get quite a bit in there, especially for 74 cents. So I picked those up. I also picked up this address book because right now I just have all of my addresses written on papers. Yet for the crafty people that I send stuff to, I thought, let me pick up this address book, and then I will have a point where I can actually find the addresses and not have to look through papers and whatnot. So that was $1.24. I thought that was a good purchase. And I also picked up some of these little applicators for my chalk. And then I picked up this tall or slimline envelope die, and that was only $1.49. So that's all I picked up from there. And then last but not least, I was watching Mikaboo's channel. I think that's the name of her channel. And she was showing that she went over to HSN and purchased some enamel dots. I love enamel dots and have been wanting some more colors, and so when she showed that these were like $6, $6.99 or something like that, I went right over because you get 2,000 enamel dots. But I did the math. I normally only use circles, but they had a little bonus and threw some extra shapes in there. But we'll see if we use those. But I thought it was still a benefit to buy it for the circles, and so really nice colors throughout. Love that. I mean, they're really, really pretty. I love it. Now, what I did notice is that these are so thin, and they would be perfect to put on the card and send it through the mail. I mean, when I say they're almost paper thin, but really nice though. I like them. Glad I got them. The only thing about the book is that it was already like torn in that area there. And then I got the pastel colors as well. And these are really nice. I did see some enamel dots over on Stamp Market, and I might still pick those up as well. But anyways, these come with 2,019 pieces, I think, 2,016 pieces. So together, I have 4,032 pieces. I think I have enough enamel dots now, but that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.